Yeah,
climbing a mountain in the 2012 apocalypse.
2012 apocalypse.
No, why is this happening?
It's so sad that
The world is spinning around me.
it's so sad.
I have
it's
2
ending.
fingers. I have 4 fingers.
It's so sad that the
Ah!
it's so sad.
There's a Liberty Station in the
Liberty!
Look at the Liberty Station. The National Station.
The Liberty Station.
Red light, red light.
What is this?
The
Red
big
light trap,
humongous
red light
store.
trap. Everyone, hurry, get in.
Get in,
Oh my
get in
God,
here.
it's like a little hall.
It's like a little.
Oh, thank God, they have bathrooms.
I had a leak.
I have to pee.
I have to leak.
Hello?
Okay, nobody's in here.
Okay.
Nick.
Run! Wait, that sounded like Jeff.
Maybe it is.
Yeah?
Jeff?
No, this is the ghost of Jeff.
Oh my God.
Where are you? Let us in.
No.
Or are you pooping? Are you going?
No.
You dumping?
Are you taking
No.
the brown?
Okay, let's get off.
Okay, we gotta go. We
Bye,
gotta
Super
go.
Bowl man.
This is
No,
freaky.
No, listen to me.
It's so weird. The Jeff ghost and everything. That's scary. Oh my God, there's writing on the bricks.
No,
Ah!
you didn't listen to me. I was going to tell you how to leave.
How do you leave?
First, you must go and defeat the battle mechanism.
Okay.
Next, you need to get the 3 diamonds that lie on the battle machine.
You know, can you talk any faster?
No. Then you must bring the 3 diamonds to the Great Stone.
Is it bedtime?
That will summon
Oh,
a
good.
dinosaur that will take you back home.
Okay.
I couldn't remember that.
Yep, I can. I have a brain store.
All 3 diamonds were found. So they placed them in the stone.
I can replace them.
Back to the dinosaur.
It just activated the dinosaur.
There's a dinosaur.
It's leaving. Hurry, let's go. Ready?
on the back.
Ready?
Here we go.
Can you get back to our house?
What?
What? Back here? Only if Jeff were here to see it.
I'm gonna go to my house.
Okay, I feel like I'm going to my house.
Okay, you guys go to your house.
Get out of my house.
We barely remember who or what came before this precious moment. We're choosing to be here right now. Hold on, stay inside this
I've done my part. Can you let me out? I could help. I could help for the next plan. Anybody?